Really hard to make unboxing with one hand. Sorry, I'm so poor that I use only cell phone. Post time! Hello everybody, Military Finder here, and we have a mailbox time. We have 3 really nice packages. 1, 2, and 3. So all together really nice, and let's see what's inside. I was waiting probably 2 weeks for these 3 packages, and it'd be really good to show you what's inside. So let's go. So now we have here 1 package, 2 package. This is small lighter. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. Oh, really nice picture. A really nice picture. And the badge. And the badge. Yes. Really nice wounded badge. It's my 3rd one. Really good. Rest of the color, beautiful condition with pin. Really like it. And this postcard also with pin. Really nice, really nice. I really love it, really love it. I opened this one because it's really hard to make unboxing with one hand. Sorry, I'm so poor that I use only cell phone. But look what's inside. It's the back. Oh wow. Holy crap, look at that. Look at that. Look on this amazing metal. Focus, yes. One second. Beautiful marking. Really nice. Wow, I really love this. Cool. This one, it's bad shape, but anyway, looks really cool. And the last one. Really nice, really nice. Wow. Really nice. Really nice pieces. I really like it. Whoa, really awesome. Really awesome. And I could put here also this wounded badge. Whoa! This is the last package. Opening with one hand. Okay, we have here a pocket, a box, small box from a cell phone, I think. So let's unbox it. So I check what's inside. Okay, I see. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, foil. Look at that. What an amazing piece. So look at that. So let's check what's inside. You need to push this button. Okay, and it's open. Now came here that moment. Focus, yes. Oh, it's make it in Vienna, in Vienna city. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. It's a motocross. Oh wow. What a beauty. What a beauty. Here is the 16 December 1938, and the signature of Heinrich Himmler. What a condition. This is a gold version of this motocross. It's really awesome. It's the highest cross in this gold version. Then there is also in a silver version and the bronze version. So really awesome, really awesome. I really like it. The condition is amazing. Whoa. So this is all what we got today in our packages. Really awesome, really awesome, really like it. Really like it. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm so excited. All pieces are in such a great condition. Focus. Yes, it's a really cool, really cool. I'm really love it. I'm in love. So guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing, leave a like, share, or leave a comment down below. If you want to support my work and do you want more this unboxing, please support me with some donations on my PayPal account, link in description. And we see us next time by new adventure with Military Finder. So take care guys.